Peru. Cusco, the former capital of the Inca civilization, which rules here in the mid-13th century. A nearby mountain range contains some of the Incas' most sacred sites where the remains of many victims of human sacrifice are found. In 2011, on top of Apu Wiracocha, named after the Inca god of creation, museum curator Renato Riquelme makes his greatest ever archaeological discovery.
Vi un hoyo y me llamó la atención una cosa que se encontraba en el fondo. Me parecía un cráneo.
Renato assumes this is the skull of a human sacrifice, an honor usually reserved for the purest and most beautiful Inca children. But this specimen is highly unusual.
Parecía el cuerpo de un niño, pero la cabeza era totalmente desproporcional al cuerpo.
This tiny skeleton is only 20 inches long. Its head is roughly the same size as its body. One arm and both legs are missing. The discovery of the Wiracocha skeleton attracts global attention and wild speculation about what it could be.
Nos haría pensar de que estamos ante un ser extraterrestre.
The Unexplained Files, next Tuesday at 10 on Science. Question everything.